All right, this will be setup of Wyze Band. It does come fully charged out of the box, so you don't have to charge that. But what we do is we get our band here, we come over to our Wyze app, and we select Add a Product, scroll down to the bottom, select Wyze Band, and then we're just going to tap that lower portion right here, and then we're going to make sure that this number is the same that's being displayed on the screen. Okay, so tapping the screen. All right. So it took a minute for the two to talk to each other because this just paused the searching. So you touch the circle in the middle there. Confirm your brand. Confirm your band right here on my band. It says confirm. Okay. I'm going to touch it to confirm. So it says tap the OK button, which I did. Touchscreen's a little iffy. All right, and then it says your band is successfully added. There you go. Which hand are you going to wear this on? I'll probably wear this on my left. And then it walks you kind of through how to use it. So swipe up and down, gives you some information. Swiping left or right gives you a little more functionality. And then you've got a heart meter as well. Can hold down that button right there to talk with she who shall not be named. And there we go. It's all set up. And then this is the, downloading firmware already. So band is updating. That's what it looks like when it updates. So probably not going to make you sit through this, although it does look like it's going to do it relatively quickly.